Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to log out your WhatsApp account. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, go to WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. Okay guys, here click account. So okay guys, your WhatsApp application are no log out button. So okay guys, you all have to do to log out your WhatsApp application or WhatsApp account is go to setting of your mobile phone. So okay, go to settings. And okay guys, here in settings, you all have to do is find the application management or application manager to your mobile phone. And after that guys, find the application or WhatsApp application here. So okay guys, click the WhatsApp application and you can see the app info. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the storage usage. So okay guys, after you click the storage usage, so you can see the clear data button. You'll have to do to clear the or to log out your WhatsApp account into WhatsApp application of your mobile phone. You'll have to do is clear data. So okay, click clear data and the pop-up will show the system will permanently remove all of this app data including all file settings, account and database, etc. and they cannot be recovered. So okay guys, click clear button. So you guys, the storage are clear. So okay, go to WhatsApp again and okay guys. So okay guys, we have successfully logged out your WhatsApp account. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.